Hi, this is Anup here. In this video, we are going to talk about new Windows Insider build for the Canary Channel 25346. What are the new features coming with this Insider build? I have installed it on the latest build on a daily laptop. I've been doing this for more than 2 years now. So there are some exciting features available in this build. So don't skip it. Let's go ahead and watch it out. Let's check the latest build. Now it is available and I have downloaded it and installed it. Now it is asking for the restart option. The latest build is 24346. The previous build was 25336 and this one is 25346. This is the restart option you have, and if you click on the drop down option, then you can see an option to have a scheduled restart, and you can set it for tomorrow. There are some other days also available until 26th of April. I can see the dates for the scheduling. Going to cancel it and restarting the device. Now it is getting ready. Let's look at 25346 Windows 11 Insider Preview build details on Microsoft. It is a Canary channel, as I mentioned before. You can see there is an update for content adaptive brightness control, and this is applicable only for some of the specific OEMs, and on my laptop it is not available. On all the devices, on all the monitors, this feature won't be available. This is the option I have on my device, which is having the latest Canary build. If I go to updates, you would be able to see I got the latest update, that is 25346. I don't have this particular option. That is why I mentioned this particular option is available only for some of the OEMs which are capable of content adaptive brightness control. So that was one of the change which Microsoft introduced. And other change which Microsoft introduced with the latest Canary channel build is the redesign of remote desktop session. So over here you can see the remote connection bar design is changed, and now it is aligned with Windows 11 design principles. Okay, so that is one of the UI kind of change which Microsoft introduced with this Canary channel build. Another thing which Microsoft introduced with this is when sharing a local file in File Explorer to Outlook contacts, you will now see the option to quickly email the file to yourself. That's really interesting. I'm checking that option over here and I can see some of the email IDs over here, but I don't have my own email ID here. If I click on Outlook, it says OneDrive. That's the only thing I can see over there. So this is another feature which Microsoft added. This is another thing which Microsoft added. If you right click on the network icon over here, then you will get option called diagnostic network problems. So if I go over here in this device, I will get this option. See, I will get a option to diagnostic and it says I'm connected now. Okay, so I don't have any problem with the network connection at the moment. So that is useful. And then there are other settings improvements, as you can see over here. If you go to settings, privacy and security, I can't see that option on this particular device. Microsoft introduced a new presence sensor privacy settings. If you have a device with compatible presence sensors, so in this device I don't have that compatible presence sensors. That is why I don't have that option over here. You can manage your privacy and you can block or allow certain application accessing these sensors. No images, metadata is collected by Microsoft, and all the processes done are locally on the device hardware to maximize the privacy. In this device I don't have it, as I mentioned, but I can get you the screenshots from here. Microsoft shared the screenshots. This is the presence sensing access, and anyone using this device can choose if the application have presence sensing access when this is on. So that is really a good privacy option, but you need to have sensors for that. And Windows security improvements with the latest build. After fixing some issues based off insider feedback, we are reintroducing the updated Windows security firewall notification dialogues that matches Windows 11 visuals. Maybe this is also matching Windows 11 design principles. This is the new security notification which you are going to get with the latest Canary Channel build. And there are some improvements in narrator application as well, and in the graphics also there are some improvements with the latest build. If you go to system display HDR, choose whether you want HDR or HDR video streaming to remain turned on when the PC is running on battery. So this is that setting. So if you go to HDR option over here on my laptop, let's check that is there or not. Use HDR is not supported, but HDR video streaming is supported for this device. HDR video streaming, you can see over here, it is on. You can put this off, turn off the video streaming if you want when PC is running on battery. This is another option that Microsoft introduced. I'm not going to cover the developers section over here. Now that you have seen the details about new features of the latest Canary Channel build, let me know in the comment what is your feedback, how many of you are excited to test it, the Windows Insider build, etc. Hope this was helpful. Thank you all for watching. See you around.